In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram photo after posting it. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin, but keep in mind that you can change anything that you want. So, I'm on my Instagram and let's say I want to change that post. I have already posted it and now all I have to do is to hit on that post and there hit on these three dots icon and here hit on edit and let's see what things I can edit. So the first thing I can edit, I can change the caption. Now it's example carousel and here I can write any text that I want. I can delete the whole this text and change it in any text that I want. Also here I can edit alt text. I can hit there at edit alt text and there write alt text for each picture in that carousel. I can write there anything that I want and then hit done. And also there I can tag people if I want. I can hit there at tag people, there tap on photo and there I can search for some specific person, then select that person from that list and there also I can change photo, hit on that to tag the same person or another person for the second photo in carousel and then I can hit done and done again to finish editing that specific post. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.